Everyone, in this video, I'm going to let you know the travel and purchases protections that are offered by Citi credit cards. Now, the Citi credit card offers a variety of travel and purchase protections which can vary by card type. Here are some common benefits. The first of all is that you need to go and open up a browser and go to Citigram. And that includes trip cancellation and interruption protection. Now, reimbursement refundable trip expenses if your trip is cancelled or interrupted due to covered reasons like illness or shelter weather. And there is also a trip delay protections. The reimbursement for expenses incurred due to trip delay over a certain number of hours, example meal, lodging and all that. And they also cover for lost, stolen or damaged luggage. At the same time, coverage for accidental death or dismemberment during travels. Now, coverage for damage due to collision or theft when you rent a car using the Citi credit card as well. And they have a protection purchase. It can cover for damage of theft or eligible purchases made with the Citi card, typically for 90 to 120 days from the purchase date. And it also extends the manufacturer warranties on eligible purchases, often by additional years, and reimbursement of the price differences if you find a lower price on an eligible item or within a specified period after purchases. Now, these benefits can vary by specific cards, so it's important to check the terms and conditions for Citi credit card. For detailed information on the protection offered by the card, you can visit the Citi website or refer to the card's benefit guide. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.